Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if camera is not working on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, by the way, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can always search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Then we have to scroll down and here we will find app permissions. We need to click on camera. Here, make sure that camera access is enabled. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access with when this is on. So make sure this is on, especially for all the applications that needs to access your camera like WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, like that. So make sure to enable that from here. Now, once this is done, close this. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type camera for the next method. Now, we cannot open this, so we need to click on app settings on the right pane. Then here, make sure app permissions, all of this are toggled on. Here, you will find reset. Click on the repair button first. Then click on reset and reset once again. Now after that, you just need to simply try to open your camera again and see if it is working this time. But if it is not fixed or if it didn't help you fix the issue, then we need to move to the next methods. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type device manager. Now you'll find device manager under the best match. So here in the device manager window, we need to locate our cameras. So once you find that, make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Then we have to close this. Next method, still in the device manager window, you need to again locate your cameras. Locate your camera driver. Make a right click, select disable. Click on yes. And then wait for some time. Right click, select enable. Or if it is already disabled in your case, or if it has already been disabled in your case, once you open the device manager window, then you just need to make a right click and select the enable device option. Then for the final method, right click on your camera, select uninstall device, click on uninstall. Then you have to click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, click on your cameras. And this time, this will be reinstalled. And after that, you just need to open your camera. Click on yes, click on yes, click on yes. And this time, it will be working for you. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix your camera is not opening or working on your Windows. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more free tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.